Kari Solomon, and today we're going to create Angelina Jolie inspired makeup look, and she is my favorite. I am super excited to create this look. She's absolutely gorgeous and I love the way she wears her makeup and the way she carries herself. In all, I just like the way she is. So let's go without wasting time. Let's go. For my eyebrows, I have used Cyber Colors 24 Hours Eyebrow Pen, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. This is a fantastic product. I simply love this product. And then for the foundation, I have used Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. This is like a foundation and concealer together. And then I have used Maybelline Police, and my shade is 128. And the Milani shade is 00. So I've just mixed both and I've already applied it on my face. So this is, like I said, it's going to be super easy, but at the same time it's going to be super glamorous. So for today's eye palette, I'm using Dasik. This is a Korean brand, and the eye palette is called Chocolate Fudge. So we are going with this shade. This one. It's a very simple look. Oh, by the way, I'm trying to do the exact makeup that I have on my display picture along with me, so don't get confused. I mean, it's that simple, but still I would like to clarify. So I'm just going to apply this light shade on the inner corner. Since it's a very neat and fresh kind of a look, I would say, which enhances her complete features so well. So I'm going to go and do the same. I'm going to apply this just on the inner corner here, and then I'm going to go with the light brown shade which is there in this palette, this one, and I'm going to go simply here on the crease line and also on the eyelid. Don't take it out too much. It's just still here. If you see, it's not going to go out. So just going to focus here. A little bit more. I'm going to blend in circles and just blend it really well on the crease line and half of my eyelid, just till here. So I'm just going to go with this and this a little bit. Stamp and then go over the crease line. I'm just going to use a clean blending brush and just blend. So I'm just going to go with this and this a little bit. Stamp and then go over the crease line. I'm just going to use a clean blending brush and just blend. Blend really well. And then I'm going to use the palette Man Eater. This is from Tarte, and go with the shade Nightfall here. Go here on the edge and on the crease line. If you see, I'm just stamping the shade on the outer corner. And then take a clean brush and simply blend. And then I'm going to simply pick an eye pencil and go really close to the lash line. So I'm going to draw a line really tight and close to the lash line, like this. I'm not going to draw a wing because in her picture there is no wing. It's just a normal plain line, no wings. I'm going to smoothen the edges with a flat brush. Next we're going to jump to the contour, and there is no concealer that I'm going to use today. Her face doesn't have any concealer, it's just foundation. So I'm going to skip the concealer part, but if you wish to, you could go ahead and apply some concealer. I'm going to jump directly to the bronzer. Her bronzer is very light, absolutely light, so I'm going to go light too. The reason I picked this look of hers is she looks absolutely gorgeous in that, and it's like such a simple makeup, so easy to follow. Such a simple makeup, so easy to follow. Now, definitely her products are not the same, but I'm trying to match. I love her jawline. She has the best jawline. By the way, the bronzer that I used is Girl in Terracotta, and the shade that I have is 03 Natural Brunette. This is the one, And this is, oops, this is how the shade is. I've been having this for the longest time, but it's like my favorite bronzer. And then she has very, very, very light blush, so I'm gonna go with some blush that is going to be really light too. This is Physician's Formula, and this is in the shade Rose. Glow and mood boosting blush. So this is how it is. So I'm going to go really light. It's just barely there. And that's it. Since she has a fantastic jawline, I'm going to enhance mine a little bit. Just adding some loose powder. Yeah. So that I get that effect of her jawline. Wow. Ooh. Trying to get her jawline as well. Oh, I wish I could have her jawline and her lips. Wow. Wow. Makeup is super light. Okay. For the lips, I'm going to mix two shades. One is it's like a very pale lip color on her lips. It's like barely there. So I'm going to go with L'Oreal Light Oolong 610. This one. This is how it is. This is a very pretty light shade, just like this. And then I'm simply going to use my fingers and dab on my lips. And then I'm going to use L'Oreal Color Rich Matte 640 Erotic, this one. And this is how the shade is. So I'm going to use a little bit on my finger and go over my lips. For her look, she has applied false eyelashes, so I have applied false eyelashes too, and I am loving the look. For the mascara, I have used Burberry Ultimate Lift. This is like my ultimate mascara. And yep, I'm gonna go and get ready and be back and show you the complete look. All right? Hey my loves, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope you also create this look. It's super easy and super glamorous. It's easy to follow, and it's such a glamorous look. I hope you liked it. I see you soon in the next video with another exciting look, which is going to be glamorous and super easy to follow. Ciao, bye.